Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello subscribers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. In this video, I'll be discussing the setup of CNX Pharma or Nifty Pharma and why should you not buy the pharma stocks in current rally, and at the moment where markets have seen a huge rally right from 15,200 to 16,700 plus levels. Pharma is one of the underperforming sector, and that's the reason I believe you should stop buying the pharma stocks right now. Let's look at the first chart over here. This is the weekly chart of Nifty Pharma index, and if you just look at the chart, I have marked the candlesticks pattern, various candlesticks pattern where they have formed the highs. Starting with the on the left to the chart, if you look at the first, which is the bearish engulfing formed in October 2021, followed by dark cloud cover, again a bearish candlesticks, two candlesticks pattern which have been formed in Jan 2022, the week which was the first week of the this year, followed by bearish harami, again a bearish candlestick pattern right at the April 2022 when the fall started, and right now in July we are witnessing the bearish tweezer top, which is again a sign of a reversal candlestick pattern, and all this on a weekly scale. So, if you look at the momentum where markets have seen a huge rally, this is still underperforming. And if I move on to the average over here, which is the orange line, which is a 200 weekly exponential moving average, though index have taken support over there at the lower panel, which is now placed at 11,700. I still think that the higher, if you look at the highs which are forming the lower and higher high, if till it doesn't make, I believe the structure seems a very a weak over here onto the pharma index. If I look at the top down approach and move on to the daily chart, if you look at the daily chart, again the orange line over here is a 200-day exponential moving average. Now, if you look at the prices resisting at the 200 weekly exponential daily exponential moving average and moving back now, which is placed around 13,000 levels. Plus, if I look at the falling channel over here, where prices are indexes heading lower and lower over here and forming lower highs. So, I believe the structure very seems to be weaker compared to the where the markets have seen. And if I compare it with the Nifty move, so if you look at the third chart over here, this is the ratio chart of Nifty Pharma or CNX Pharma divided by the Nifty 50. So, the ratio chart indicates an outperformance or underperformance of one instrument over the other. So, in this case, I am comparing pharma index with the Nifty, and if you look at when the ratio chart goes lower, which means that pharma index is underperforming, and when the ratio chart goes higher, it means that pharma index is outperforming. And if you look at the current structure back right from 200 days average, the orange line, the ratio reversed to the southward journey, and it is trending into the descending triangle formation. Well, it is on the verge of the giving the breakdown, which means that there is a possibility that the pharma index could more out underperform against the Nifty 50. So, if the breakdown happens, there could be the two possibilities there, where the Nifty goes higher, more percentage higher than the Nifty Pharma index, or other way could be the Pharma index falls more than the Nifty. In both the scenario, it seems that the pharma index may underperform over the Nifty, and that's the reason I am telling you to stop buying the pharma stocks right now. Well, 11,700 where the weekly exponential moving average is placed, 200 weekly exponential moving is placed, there could be the one levels which I will keep an eye on how the markets react at those point of time. So, 11,500, 11,700 stands up to be a very important zone. So, for me, till 11,000 or probably 11,500 or 13,000 is not breached, I think one should definitely avoid buying pharma stocks as of now. Even for trading, I think there are ample opportunities where the stocks is giving a good move of around 8-10%, and you can focus over there instead of looking at the pharma stocks. And I think better are IT index, banking index, which are giving a good moves in current point in time. So, my view is avoid or stop buying the pharma stocks right now. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.